that comment. Come here.
Huh?
Come here. Say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Now say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
So we working on a car.
Yeah, I want a car.
You silly.
Can you watch your video?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see your video.
Huh?
Let's your video behind it.
Oh, okay.
So,
All right, y'all. Right lifestyle back. Y'all see little man. We working on the car today. So instead of just doing one long video, I'm gonna just break it down in a couple videos. Oh yeah? I don't know what you said. What you say? You gotta slow down. Anyway, man, instead of doing all the videos that one time, open up the garage. We're gonna break it down, and you know, basically this will just be a video on taking the bumper apart. So as we get started in this thing, so I did some talking to the homie. You know, he does it all the time. He trying to copy me. Apparently, you know, you gotta take these out. I still gotta take the tires off. Take these out, and there's, you know, the motor down there behind it, in the wheel wells and stuff like that. And there's 4 10mm bolts in here. Here, one here, and down inside. So we're gonna get, so we're gonna get all that taken out. Get off the car. I gotta think about the stripes though. Look good if I do say so myself. Little DIY action. I didn't get a recording on this one, but I'm gonna record as I put the pinstripes on for y'all, so y'all can see. Basically, you know, if you want to put like a little pinstripe flavor on there, how you gonna do. So I already got the pinstripe, but I just gotta put it on. Of course, I had to get the new badges, so I got the big fat boys coming in from the new ones. So hopefully that'll be here soon. Come here, Chance. Come over here. Yeah, come over here.
Huh?
Yeah, come over here.
What you buy,
Hmm?
what you buy, had it.
Oh, okay. Why you outside in your socks anyway?
Huh? I got that shoe.
Yeah, where's your shoes?
Give me that right back of it.
I'll be right back and grab it.
Yeah.
y'all literally watch them grow on camera. It's still crazy, man. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna knock this stuff out. And already got the car jacked up. Oh, y'all didn't even see. Yeah, look, check this out, man. I went ahead and got a new jack. I got a little pro jack, man. I got the Pittsburgh.
Turn up! Ooh. Turn up. Ooh.
I wanted to get the Daytona jack, but I swear to God, like, I'm not gonna say that. I swear that every time I try to go get a Daytona jack, Harbor Freight never had them in stock. You gotta go to the Savannah store. I'm not going to the Savannah store for no jack. Anyway, Pittsburgh and them got the same, you know, basically the same. So I just went with Pittsburgh, and it works magnificent. But I did get Daytona jack stands. Check me out, boy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these tires knocked out. Y'all know what that look like, and then we're gonna hop back. All right, I already started taking these out. I have a tool that you actually use that'll grab and pry it, but I don't feel like looking for it. It's upstairs in the man cave. So I just got a flathead, right? And oh no. Anyway, so I got a flathead, and if you look, see if I can get a good one right here. It's like little grooves, and you know, you go under the groove and just pull up on it a little bit, it'll come right up. So taking these out, y'all gonna laugh at me in a second too, because I was moving too fast because I was trying to hurry up, and y'all see in a second. Hold on. Oh, over here. See. So you just get it, lift it on up, and then boop, it'll come right up. Just find a little tab. You don't want to break these. I mean, they're really cheap anyway. You can buy a pack of like 50, I think, on Amazon. All right, got those all taken out. Move this out the way just because I put everything in the bucket. Now let's go over here and check this out. Ta-da! It's still on there. You know why it's still on there? Because I forgot the tire spins. I couldn't get it off, man. So we just gonna do it this way. You feel me? Sit this over here. And this is what I didn't want to do. Have to worry about turning and spinning and all of that. But down here, it's the same. Just gonna be taking these off, find the groove, go into the groove, pull it out. So I'm not gonna bore y'all. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out on both sides. And when I get to the bolts, I'm gonna pick it back up and I'm gonna show y'all what to do. You feel me? Eventually. Alright, y'all, so don't be mad at me. It's the next day. And it's the end of the next day. And I kinda already did everything. So I was pressed for time, man. I had to hurry up. This is my only day off, and yeah, I wanted to knock it out. And I had the kids, so you know how that goes. I kept having to stop and go, so I was getting it out crunch time. But yeah, man, I got the bumper taken off and everything. It's over here. I got the rods put in.
Look, did it? Look.
Yeah. Got the rods put in and everything. Oh. So turned out pretty good. I replaced the rubber on the bottom because that had got messed up.
But got my
so I replaced that and everything. I gotta trim the edge on the side. So actually what this is just that door trim stuff. So you know you got that self-adhesive material on the inside.
Yeah.
And that's all this is.
It's got elbow.
Yeah.
Got big bumpies in it.
Oh yeah. So, and as you can see, I actually ended up taking off the tires. So I took the tires off, man. It's way easier to take them tires off and do it than anything else. But I can, please stop. Thank you. Let go. Thank you. Oh, sorry. You always walking into my hand. You okay? All right. So to show y'all where the bolts are, the ones you take off. Okay, look at, he made a mess, man. He took all my stuff out as I was working, and I'm like, man. So they're up in here. The one to be right there, the top hole that you see, and the other one is the bottom hole. So that's where they go in, and that's where the screws will be at. You know, you mirror both sides and everything. So it's like here and like here. I want to say like up in there. What I did was I peeled this to the back, put it behind the rotor, and I moved the little fire thing right here, wherever this little protective thing is. I moved that to the side and tucked it, and yeah, that was basically it for that. So now I'm about to get this bumper thrown back on and call it a day, because man, listen, it was a long day trying to fight with the splitter. Let me show y'all. The thing that came on here was all rusted, man. So I had to like, I'm glad I'm strong, cause I had to break the stuff off. Look at that. I had to bend those. I used my vice grips and I just bent them till they popped. So
I got
sit this over here. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get this bumper thrown back on. And sorry I flaked on y'all with the install. So this would be the fit. Let me go ahead and get y'all my thumbnail. So I dropped the ball on that one. I messed up. I was supposed to help. I was supposed to show y'all how to do it, and I didn't. I dropped the ball. But I'm gonna get this, man. I'm gonna throw this together like I was saying, and we're gonna go from there. Right, little man?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Huh?
What did I say?
Dad?
You know what I said?
Get Jay.
You don't know what I said. He don't know what I said. But I'm stalling. All right.